Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will crochet very simple tutorial. It's for beginners or for advanced people. So this is for half double crochet. It's for shawl or for bandana. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 6. Yeah, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then I'll come right over here and make a slip knot. Go to chain 4, 1 2 3 4, yarn over, and in the center I'm going to make 5 double crochet. I'm not going to count the chain of 4. Then going to chain 5 again. Going to make double crochet 5 of them. Chain 5, yarn over. I'm going to make 1 double crochet here to create this space over here, and on top we're going to make chain of 4. We're going to turn our work, yarn over, and in this space you're going to make 5 double crochet. Then we're going to chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, yarn over. We're going to come right here, this space here, to make 5 double crochet again. Then chain 5 again to make 5 double crochet again. then chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this space over here, to make one double crochet, then on top, no, 5 double crochet, sorry, then chain 5, yarn over to create space, then chain 4, and yarn over, and we're going to work in this space we created over here. So to make 5 double crochet again, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then we're going to make chain of 5 again, right inside here, chain 5, right over here, 5 double crochet, then chain 5 again to make 5 double crochet again in the same space. Then I'm going to chain 5 again, right here, make 5 double crochet in this space, going to make 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then come here in this space here, right here, to make 5 double crochet again, and chain 5 again, and make space, creating half of double crochet. Then on top to make chain of 4. So as you can see over here, it's same like this one. So as you can see, we made chain of 6 slip knot, then we made a chain of 4. You can also make chain of 3, then double crochet without counting this chain here, chain of 5, double crochet, then going to make at the end chain of 5 here, then we're going to make double crochet again to create this space here, because you're going to work in this space. Turn around and going to work in this space. We're going to make chain of 4, then we're going to come over here, double crochet, chain of 5, 5 double crochet, chain of 5, 5 double crochet, chain of 5, then 5 double crochet, then we're going to make chain of 5 again and 1 double crochet till you get this small space over here design. As you can see, this is the one I've made. So if you like my video, till next, please like, share and subscribe. Till my next video, bye bye.